Alright, in this project we're discovering what windmill design produces the most energy output and raises the bucket the fastest. What's happening in our project is that Newton's second law explains that the velocity of an object changes when subjected to an external force, the object being the windmill and the external force being the fan. Newton's third law explains that for every action, force, in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The equal reaction being the lifting of the cup and the opposite reaction being the electrical output and drag. In this lab, we discovered that the 3 different pinches of -70, -50, -10 were best with a 3-blade design. Just like a wind turbine, the high air pressure is pushed along the straight edge of the blade and the low air pressure is pushed along the curved edge of the blade, creating lift. The windmill will pick up momentum as long as the fan is on.
Let me play with the fan blades.
This design also helps explain Bernoulli's principle that as air moves around an object, it creates different pressures on the object. Faster air equals low pressure, slower air equals high pressure. The windmill and cup are in inertia, an object resting until acted upon by an external force. Force equals mass times acceleration. The more mass an object has, the more force you need to accelerate it. The greater the force, the greater the object's acceleration is. All modifications that we made to our windmill is that all blades pitches were set to 30 degrees. Each blade was cut to a curve to better catch the wind current and used a larger gear, used 3 blades, and no mass was added to the blades at all. The distance from the bottom of the cup to the top of the gear was 1 meter. It took about 19 seconds for the cup to reel all the way up. The cup is going at a velocity of about 0.19 meters per second. The acceleration was about 10.01 meters per second. The force was about 0.35 newtons. The power is approximately 0.066 watt. The potential energy is the blades moving down due to the wind creating the kinetic energy of the electrical output. The voltage was 8.92. The amps were 0.007. Electrical power was 0.06. Percent power loss was 94.6%. Smarter than you.
Fix the cup.
Nah, fool, you gotta T-pose now. You have to.